Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DataBox. First, let's understand its core purpose: securely transferring large amounts of data offline to cloud storage. You'll need to select the right DataBox device for your needs, considering data volumes ranging from tens of terabytes to petabytes. Once you've made your selection, you can easily order the device, which will then be shipped directly to your location, ready for setup. Once your DataBox arrives, the next step is to connect it to your network. This typically involves a simple cable connection. After that, you'll access the local web user interface through your browser to configure the device. This interface provides a straightforward way to manage settings. Then, you can begin copying your data to the designated shares on the DataBox, just as you would with any network share, using familiar tools like Robocopy or rsync. After all your data has been successfully copied to the DataBox, it's time to prepare it for its return journey. Follow the provided instructions to securely package the device. You'll then ship it back to the designated data center using the prepaid shipping label. Once it arrives, your data will be automatically uploaded to your specified cloud storage account. You can monitor the progress of this upload through the portal, ensuring all your information is safely transferred. The final crucial steps involve verifying your data and ensuring its secure erasure. Once the upload is complete, carefully verify the integrity and completeness of your data within your cloud storage account. After successful verification, the data on the DataBox device will be securely erased, adhering to industry standards. This entire process offers a highly efficient and secure method for migrating large datasets, often many terabytes, without relying on network bandwidth limitations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.